Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Log In. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through how to close your account or delete your account for Hotmail. If you no longer need to access to Microsoft Hotmail account and you want to delete the account and get rid of all of its data, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Click open a web browser and make sure you're signed into your Hotmail account. Once you are, from your inbox page on Hotmail, go and click on your initial at the top right corner, which will open up an expanded menu. Go to My Profile from the pop-up. From your info page section, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see a text labeled How to Close Your Account. Click it on, and this will open up a new tab. You'll need to enter your password first to move on, so make sure to type in your correct password. And now, you can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner and click on Sign In. You've been taken to this page. It says that before you mark your account for closure, if you have any current subscription, you'll need to cancel that. Also, cancel any current business or organizational services. If you want to download some of your information like your health records or something like that, you can also download your records by clicking on these highlighted links. Also, if you change your mind after deleting your account, even if the account has been marked for closure, it will still exist. To reopen your account during this time, you'll need to prove your identity using your current account security info, that is your password and your email address. Once you try to log in back to your account, you'll easily be able to access to your Hotmail account and the deletion process will be cancelled. After you're done reading all the information, click on the next button. And on the next page, make sure to check all of these boxes at the left-hand side corner. And soon after you do that, select a region where you are leaving from your Hotmail account. And then click on Mark Account for Closure. And just like that, your account has been marked for closure and the date it will be closed permanently will be displayed right here on the screen. Finally, click on Done and you'll be redirected back to the sign-in page for Microsoft account. That is how you can easily delete your account if you no longer want to use it for Hotmail. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial contents like this. Thank you for watching.